Okay, holistic travel guy here once again at Coquina Beach, north entrance. And this is a beach we're revisiting. Last time you'll remember we were here, there was a incident of flesh-eating bacteria, and haven't heard anything about that since. No flesh-eating bacteria present today at Coquina Beach. And also no red tide. Have not seen any red tide this year yet in 2021. And you can see down there is the concession stand and bathrooms. They have beach rentals, lawn chairs, stand-up paddle boards, umbrellas, things like that. You can see there's plenty of parking here. A lot of empty spaces here in the early mid-spring 2021. Lots of picnic areas that are also mostly empty. They even have grills, which we're going to come up to one in a moment. Here's a changing station right over here on the left. Not a bathhouse, just a changing station. Plenty of trash cans in both directions, and hopefully recycling bins also. I haven't seen a recycling bin yet, but maybe they have some somewhere. Here's one of those barbecue pits that I mentioned. Even some leftover charcoal briquettes left inside this one. So that's a nice little addition. You can see this is not a full beach right now. I'm sure it is different during peak season when all the schools get out, and also in the middle of winter. One interesting addition here at the beach is these signs promoting social distancing, 6 foot. Maintain 6 feet social distance. Always abide by the CDC health guidelines. And that's a new addition here since COVID. Not sure how long those are going to last now that the restrictions are lifting, especially for outdoor venues like the beach. And always remember as well that this is Florida Gulf Coast. Both coasts actually are sea turtle nesting areas, and that this dune is protected. Choose the right path. Do not walk over these dunes, because you're not only disrupting potential sea turtle eggs, nests, but also you might be disturbing some bird nests in there and other critters. So one other thing I didn't notice last time we were here is how many lifeguard chairs they have on this beach. I'm going to walk out a little further. There's a little bit better view of the concession stand with all kinds of beach food, stuff like that. So yeah, the lifeguard chairs here are very numerous, a lot more than I recall. Let me see if I can get a shot all the way down the beach to show you how many there are. Okay, so I might as well put down the camera here so we can try and get a more stable shot, and then we could do a 360. All right, yeah. Way down there, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lifeguard chairs just in that direction. And now we're going to do a 360 pan. Off to the Gulf of Mexico in that direction. And now we're turning to face south, looking towards Sarasota. And another 1, 2, 3, 4 lifeguard chairs in that direction. So that's a nice little addition. There's some of the beach umbrellas and chairs that are for rent here. And it's not a full day at the beach. The water is clear turquoise, sparkling blue-green turquoise. We'll get a little bit closer view of that. See how well that shows up on our video. And we'll just do a little beach walk.